Hey everybody, so this is Matt, and I want to share with you a way that you can make an interactive checklist perfect for writing assignments. So I created this, it's called my Perfect 10 Writing Checklist, and I included some things right here that you may include on a typical writing assignment, such as having your name, your class period, maybe the text size, just checking that you have 5 paragraphs that are indented and it's cited the correct way, that it's spell checked, and that you used Grammarly to edit. So a lot of times when students turn in papers, they might forget to do this. So what this is going to be designed to do is so that students can check as they complete things, and it's going to keep a score right here. But not only is it going to keep a score, but that box is going to turn green to let them know to turn it into Google Classroom. So let's show you how this works. First of all, what you'll do is you'll go ahead and put in your items. Next, in Google Sheets, you'll go right up here to the Insert menu, and you go to Checkbox. When I add a checkbox, I'm simply going to use this. This is the autofill button. I'm just going to drag it down so that I have all of my boxes here. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I want to tally up these boxes here as you check them. And so I'm going to go right over here where my score is, and I'm going to put in a count if equation. Now this is going to count if certain things are true and conditions are true. So I'm going to open up parentheses here, and I'm going to say, look, from here, from A4, and I'm holding the shift key down, to A13, I'm going to hit the comma, and I'm going to put true. So true, what that means is if this box has a check mark in it, then I want you to count that. And if it doesn't have a check mark in it, then I don't want you to count it. So right now that's 0. Now watch what happens when I check it. It automatically keeps score. Really cool way of keeping score right here. This is perfect for rubrics and other things as well. Now, how am I going to make this turn green? Well, I can use something called conditional formatting. So I'm going to go up to the Format menu. I'm going to go right here to conditional formatting. Now, when I go here, I'm going to say, look, if this text does not contain a certain word, I'm going to make it red. Okay, so I'm going to just change this to red. So if it doesn't contain the number 10, it's going to be red. Okay, I'm going to hit done. Now I'm going to add another rule, and I'm going to say if the text contains the number 10, then it's going to be green. Okay, so let's see how this works. So I'm going through, and I'm a student, and I'm checking all my boxes here. So I'm going to go through and check them all. Notice down here also I have where they asked another classmate to proofread, and they're going to put their names right here. That helps with keeping things. Okay, so 9, 10. Check that out. And if I uncheck something, it turns back to red. So once again, what we did is we used a count if equation, and we said if that is true, then you're going to count it. If not, it is not going to be counted. We also used the checkboxes in the Insert menu, and we went to the Format menu here for conditional formatting to make sure that it's a 10. Now it's time to turn this in and allow students to get graded.